You are watching Primary Ke Pank with Tarkeshwar Pandey. A nice morning, you all. I hope you all are happy and healthy. Today, we are going to learn about a very special chapter of mathematics. Do you know the name of that chapter? The name of this chapter is Be My Multiple and I'll Be Your Factor. Be my multiple and I'll be your factor. This is the chapter number 6 in your math magic. So before starting this chapter, I am going to say the target learning outcomes of this chapter. Keep in your mind, after finishing this chapter, we will know about these things. Number 1. Concept of factors and multiples of a number. Once again, concept of factors and multiples of a number. Number 2. Relationship between multiples and factors. Once again, relationship between multiples and factors. Number 3. Finding prime numbers and composite numbers between the given numbers. Once again, finding prime numbers and composite numbers between the given numbers. Number 4. LCM. Number 4. LCM. Number 5. HCF. Number 5. HCF. Number 6. Problems on LCM and HCF. Number 6. Problems on HCF and LCM. This chapter is very interesting and enjoyable. So let's start this chapter. First of all, we are going to know about factors. Can you tell me by which numbers 20 will be exactly divisible? 20 comes in the table of 2. 20 comes in the table of 4. 20 comes in the table of 5. 20 comes in the table of 10. 20 comes in the table of 20. If we count up to 20, then 20 also comes in the table of 1. So we can easily say that 20 is exactly divisible by 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Again, think about 36. By which numbers 36 will be exactly divisible? 36 comes in the table of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. So we can easily say that 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36 can exactly divide 36, or 36 is exactly divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. The numbers that can exactly divide a given number are called factors. The numbers that can exactly divide a given number are called factors. Or factors are those numbers which can exactly divide a given number. Here 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20 are those numbers which can exactly divide 20. So we can also say that 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20 are the factors of 20. Again think about 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36 can exactly divide 36. So we can easily say that 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36 are the factors of 36. So we can say that all those numbers that divide a number exactly are called factors. Now once again, all those numbers that divide a number exactly are called factors. Example 8. 1, 2, 4 and 8 are the factors of 8. Now once again, all the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Now know all factors of 15. All factors of 15 are 1, 3, 3, 5 and 15. And now know all the factors of 20. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20 are the factors of 20. Now we can conclude that number 1 is the smallest factor of any number. 1 is the smallest factor of any number. Number 2, the number itself is the largest factor of that number. Once again, the number itself is the largest factor of that number. Now know about multiples. But before knowing multiples, read the table of 6. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 30, 6 6 is 36, 6 7 is 42, 6 8 is 48, 6 9 is 54 and 6 10 is 60. Here you can easily look that all the numbers of 6's table are exactly divisible by 6. Therefore, these all numbers of 6's table are the multiples of 6. So we can easily say about multiples, all those numbers which are exactly divided by a given number are called multiples. Once again, all those numbers which are exactly divided by a given number are called multiples. So here 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54 and 60. All are the multiples of 6. But never think the multiples are only 10. It can be more than 10, or you can say it can be unlimited. Now if you have to say first 5 multiples of 8, then you can say 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24, 8 4 is 32 and 8 5 is 30. It means the smallest multiples of a number will be the number itself. Okay, the smallest multiple of a number will be the number itself. And the largest multiple of a number will be unlimited or infinite. It means we cannot find the largest multiple of a number. So we can easily say that the largest multiple of a number will be unlimited or will be infinite. It means we cannot find the largest multiple for a number. We can also say that the table of a number is called multiples of that number. Once again, we can also say that the table of a number is called multiples of that number. It means all the numbers of a table are the multiples of that number. Now we are going to know about common factors. The same factors of two or more numbers are called common factors. Once again, the same factors of two or more numbers are called common factors. It means when we write all the factors of two numbers or more than two numbers, then the factors that match in each group of factors are called common factors. For example, all factors of 10, 1, 2, 5 and 10. And all factors of 36, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. No, once again, all factors of 10, 1, 2, 5 and 10. All factors of 36, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Here you can look easily that 1 and 2 are the only factors that match in both groups. So we can say that 1 and 2 are common factors of 10 and 36. So here 1 and 2 are the common factors of 10 and 36. Remember once again, the same factors of two or more than two numbers are called common factors. Once again, the same factors of two or more than two numbers are called common factors. Now we are going to know about common multiples. The same multiples of two or more numbers are called common multiples. Once again, the same multiples of two or more numbers are called common multiples. Suppose you have to write the multiples of two or more numbers, then the multiples which come in each group or the multiples that match in each group are called common multiples. Example, multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. It means the table of 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20, 5 5 is 25, 5 6 is 30, 5 7 is 35, 5 8 is 40, 5 9 is 45, 5 10 is 50. So these are multiples of 5. And multiples of 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. It means the table of 8. 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24, 8 4 is 32, 8 5 is 40, 8 6 is 48, 8 7 is 56, 8 8 is 64, 8 9 is 72, and 8 10 is 80. So these all factors are of 8. So these all are multiples of 8. Okay. So we have two group of multiples. First group is the multiples of 5 and second group is the multiples of 8. Here you can look easily. Only one multiple 40 is here that match in both groups. So we can easily say that 40 is the common multiple of 5 and 8. Remember once again, the same multiples of two or more numbers are called common multiples. The same multiples of two or more numbers are called common multiples. Remember one thing also, you can write multiples more than 10 as per your need. So never think the multiples of a number are only 10. It will be more than 10. It will be maximum up to your need. So you can say the multiples of a number are endless or unlimited, or you can say infinite. Okay. So in this video we have learnt the concept of factors, the concept of multiples, the concept of common factors and common multiples, and we have also known some interesting and important facts. So once again I want to repeat those facts so you can easily revise. Number 1, the number itself is the largest factor of the number. Once again, the number itself is the largest factor of the number. Next, 1 is the smallest factor of any number. 1 is the smallest factor of any number. Next, the smallest multiple of a number is the number itself. The smallest multiple of a number is the number itself. Okay. Next, the largest multiple of a number is infinite. The largest multiple of a number is infinite, or you can say unlimited, or you can say indefinite. So the largest multiple of a number will be infinite, unlimited, or indefinite. The common factor of any two numbers will be minimum 1. So 1 is the common factor of all the numbers, because 1 is the factor of all numbers. So we can say that when we have to find common factors of two or more than two numbers, then definitely 1 will be the common factor, and other than 1 there will be more numbers, but 1 is the smallest common factor for all numbers. So remember this thing also. 1 is the smallest common factor of any numbers. Okay. Now know one interesting thing also. If you have to write multiples of a number, then never think the multiples of a number are only 10. It will be more than 10. It will be fully depend on your need. Okay, it will be fully depended on your need. So when you have to write the multiples of a number, then you can write the multiple of the multiples more than 10. I think you have understood about factor, multiple, common factor, common multiple, and the remaining TLO of this chapter we will know in our next video. So for that time, I want to wish you all have a great day, and goodbye you all.